Hello, my name is Cooper Zaransky, and I'm a part of Dr. Zhang's 2021 Summer Muri team. And today I'll be demonstrating our educational metal 3D printing module. Upon entering, you can see that we are in a typical laboratory type environment, and we can walk around using the joystick on the controller, moving in whichever direction the character is facing. As we approach our large PBF printer, we can see a touchscreen monitor with the option to start. As this is a crude prototype model, this is the only option at the time. So we can reach over, create a pointer finger, and press it. Then we can see the recoder come across, the laser activate, and trace the shape of a cylinder into the powder, sintering it. After one layer is done, it recoats, and the process happens again. This repeats until the cylinder is complete.